Hi mga UVJ, ako ulit. So, tingnan natin kung anong energy update o confused or option. Pero we'll see. Sa mga lahat po ng mga new subscriber, thank you so much po. Stay connected po tayo sa mga returning subscriber. Hello po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. So, tingnan natin mga UVJ. Sana po ay naririnig ako, no? Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see. Energy update from my UVG. Two of Cups. Wow. Six of Pentacle. Four of Swords. Five of Wands. So, mga UVG sa nakikita ko dito. Bakit parang blurred? Ba't hindi nagpo-focus? Nakikita po ba? Anyway, bottom of the deck, the Justice card. So, meron ditong isang individual, maybe ikaw or person na connected sa iyo or sa environment mo. Merong invitation dito, Virgo. Either, it's all about celebration, pero doon magsisimula sa invitation na yon. At first, self-conflict. Kumbaga nakakatakot isipin or nakakatakot sa feeling yung newness, comfort zone mo, thinking outside the box, putting yourself out there. Okay. Something in that line. Pero I think, kinontemplate mo na to for a very long time. Yung putting yourself out there when it comes to love or trying new things when it comes to relationship or career or kung ano man ang gusto mong mangyari, Virgo, na matagal mo nang binabalak gawin. Okay. Pero hindi mo magawa-gawa because of the Five of Wands. Very conflicted when it comes. May mga self-doubt, fear, trauma. Okay. Pero merong invitation dito na yung invitation na yon, doon magsisimula lahat ng pagbabagong akala mong hindi mo makakamit. Meaning, Seven of Cups. Lumabas na to kanina, kaya confused ka eh. Self-doubt to, Virgo. Self-conflict. Okay. So, ang advice dito is kailangan mo mag-meditate or contemplate. Pero I think pinag-isipan mo na to for a very long time. 4 years ago maybe or something in that line. 4 months. I don't know. There is a lot of option here, Virgo. So, confused ka. If it's gonna work out, is this gonna be the real deal? Ito na ba to? Is this it? This is it? Kasi may Two of Cups at the first card. Ace of Cups, that card. So, kung ano man ang invitation na ma-receive mo, Virgo, I don't know, going somewhere, birthday celebration, something in that line. Seven of Cups is parang sa una parang magtataka ka. Parang wow, coincidence ba? Pero I think hindi. Kasi kung ano man yung invitation na pupuntahan mo, 360 ang ikot ng transformation sa'yo dito eh. Ace of Cups, new beginning when it comes to love. Mag-i-ignite yung passion at saka yung emotion, chemistry is there. And you're aabot sa punto na mako-confuse ka. Is this only for good time? Or ano? Clarify more. Ace of Pentacles. Solid to solid. Solid. Dalawang ace. At first, magiging conflicted ka sa sarili mo. Pero gagawin mo rin siya. Gagawin mo rin siya at the end of the day. Yung invitation na yun, i-accept mo pa rin. Pupunta ka or travel or kung sino man yan siya. Pero I think it's very confusing at first, pero you will see the bigger picture here. You will feel kakaiba ang mafe-feel mo dito, Virgo. Sa invitation na to. Hindi ko nga alam kung ba't ako nagsimula sa last eh. Okay, kung ito yung problema mo, na parang nagda-doubt ka, or parang may trauma ka, kaya hindi mo matransform ang dapat na matransform sa department ng buhay mo, career man yan, love life, or family, or friends. Merong malaking big, very big transformation or a very big event na mangyayari dito sa'yo. Merong mag-i-invite sa'yo. Okay. And you will see the emotion is running high with the Ace of Cups. But with the Ace of Pentacles, this is solid. Isip mo lang yung Seven of Cups na confused ka. Dang, ano ba? Ano ba nangyayari? It's very scary with the Death card, but it's worth it, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Ito yung energy update natin. Maaring naganap na magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Basta itong invitation na to once na mag-take place. Ang dami mong maiisip na scenario dito with the Seven of Cups. Pero the feeling, it's gaining momentum. Yung emotion mo is running high. This is solid. Tell me more, my God. Chariot card, travel nga. Di ko alam kung saan ka pupunta, pero there is moving forward, stability when it comes to stability or love department, career department. This is a very positive one. Pero it's kind of confusing at first. Kasi meron ka ditong issue. Overthinking things. Okay, Virgo. Yan ang nakikita ko. So, I think meditate. Nafe-feel mo yata with the Four of Swords. Meditate, contemplate healing. You're ready dito, Virgo. You're very ready. Okay. I think, clarify the Two of Cups. The love of your life is here. God dang. Page of Cups. The World card. Upright. Temperance card. Page of Swords. So, Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, talagang merong kang coming in. Someone is coming in to get you. Pero this person or ikaw, may kailangan kang balansin. Maybe work and relationship or family and relationship and something in that line na kailangan balansehin dito. Okay. The Empress card. Wow. Ang galing, Virgo. Very creative, abundance. Very creative, very abundant, very productive, Virgo, with the Empress card. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, pero wifey, husband material kind of energy. This person is going to approach you in no time. Okay. But, merong kailangan balansehin dito. World card at saka Temperance. With the Page of Swords. Kailangan not overgiving, not overusing, not overindulging, or something in that line. Patas kung ano yung binigay mo, kaya niyang ibalik sa'yo ng more than okay. Pero ang connection dito is not abusing. Yun ang nakikita ko. Yun ang nafe-feel ko dito. Ending of a suffering, okay. Nakikita ko din yun, the world card, temperance card. Empress is all about based on experience, kaya siya naging empress. Empress, been through a lot, hell and back. You know what I mean, Virgo? So, you deserve. You deserve to be loved, Virgo. You deserve this kind of love. It's parang scary sa feeling mo, okay. Pero the star card, sorry. It is meant to happen, Virgo. In this timeline, na kailangan mong, this is the one, Virgo. Six of Cups. Past lives, dun, 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 lost love, finally found. Yun ang nafe-feel ko sa vibe ng first row, Virgo. Maybe this is your past life lover. Okay. And I think either way, you've been through a lot in the first row. Paras ditong matured. Six of Pentacles. Clarify, please. Kaya tayo may healing card eh. Four of Swords is healing card also. Star card is healing card. Ten of Pentacles. Stability. Stability, family, long-term, longevity. Multiple source of income. The more you give, the more you receive kind of energy here, Virgo. Two of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles with High Priest. Okay. Slowly but surely. Okay. Two of Pentacles, trying your best, Virgo here. When it comes to finances, there's an offer. Okay. Offer of love. Wow. Ang ganda naman ito, Virgins. Offer of love. The more you give, the more you receive here, Virgo. Ten of Pentacles is multiple source of income. Three of Swords is coming out. Sorry guys. Three of Swords. Three of Swords is kinda, clarify the Three of Swords. Merong heartbroken dito. Page of Wands. Clarify the Three of Swords. The Star ulit upright. Healing. Yung parang the way na mag-healing guys, saving money or saving resources. Okay. Yung focus mo is all about abundance and creativity and productivity, business, 9 to 5. It's not gonna work out anymore. I think you're gonna be your own boss here, Virgo. Parang motivated kang ah motivated kang mag-ano dito eh, ng income. Mag-generate ng sarili mong income. You will try your best with the Two of Pentacles to generate generational wealth slowly pero surely. And your intuition is shouting, okay. Parang yung pagiging heartbroken mo is kind of pushing you towards your abundance and towards your prosperity here, Virgo. Star card, okay. Or merong hindi matanggap dito na you are getting what you want. Okay, parang merong heartbroken dito. Expect some communication or message with this person na gustong ayusin na kung ano man ang dapat ayusin sa'yo. Okay, kasi nakikita niya dito na you're very, very abundant. You have a lot of resources. And you're slowly getting your goal and your dreams come true here, Virgo. And someone is holding on into it. Okay. Someone is heartbroken kasi parang mas gumaan ang andar ng buhay mo. Okay. Without this person, kung sino man 'tong person na 'to. There is two scenario here. Merong bago at saka merong past person. Expect some communication with the past person. Okay. But I think you fully healed into the situation. You are trying your best here, focusing more on your dreams, your goals, generational wealth here, Virgo, having new love life, new partnership, new career, be your own boss. Okay. But someone is heartbroken, wanting to make amends or to heal things from you. Okay. Someone sees you are doing great when it comes to finances, and I think you're exploring your option in this person's mind. Nag-explore ka, pero hindi niya alam. Parang skeptical ka when it comes to love life. Okay. Pero merong solid offer dito. It requires travel. Okay. Very confusing at first kasi I think familiar ka sa ways ng mga galawan ng mga narcissistic or mga ganong person, pero I think this person is the real one. Kung sino man yung mag-i-invite at kung sino man yung involved ang travel, emotions are running high, it's gonna be a solid offer with the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, genuine emotion, Two of Cups, it's genuine, it's by the divine, Virgo, pero mako-confuse ka dito, matitrigger yung overthinking mind mo. Kasi it requires transformation, ang daming magbabago sa'yo dito. The way you see things, the way you see the relationship, compare before at saka yung bago ngayon. Okay. Pero with the Empress card, based on experience, you know it. Okay. When it comes to finances, Virgo, ang ganda din ng finances mo dito. Ah, taya-taya din pag may time. Okay. May chance kang manalo. Okay. So, let's see with the Four of Swords. The more you heal, the more focus on yourself and your finances here, Virgo, the more you attract the soulmate. Okay, and this another person, past person, is gonna be lurking around. Queen of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands. Wow, hindi easy to be your own boss. Ang dami mong pinagdaanan dito. Ang dami mong responsibilidad, actually. Pero, ang level up mo dito is to the max din when it comes to finances. You are trying your best. Okay. Let's see what else. Five of Pentacles. Ooh, the Devil card. Okay. Someone is really feeling left out by you. Okay. Oops, wait. Nahulog. Two of Swords. Okay. Um, Eight of Pentacles. What else? Ten of Swords. Two of Swords, Ten of Swords, tsaka Eight of Cups. So Virgo, you turn your back on someone, okay, and this person is contemplating another move to work things out, okay. So, merong feeling left out ba you dito? Ikaw, focus ka more on your pentacles. Sa nakikita mo is nakatingin ka sa pentacle. Pero, this person, past person, I guess. Okay. With the Ten of Wands, feeling burden. Parang yung karma dito, Virgo, is ang karma ng person na to is yung success mo at saka yung relationship mo na bago. Okay. Tapos, tong person na to is feeling pa-victim, which is the one who got away. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang iniwan ng person na to or ikaw ang nang iwan. Pero either way, merong feeling left out. Someone here. Someone is feeling left out by you or you are feeling left out by someone. Pero kung sino man ang kinakausap ko dito, ang another person is very prosperous, merong new love life coming in, new relationship coming in. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Okay. And someone here is feeling left behind, feeling heartbroken because nakikita niya yung na-achieve mo yung mga dreams and goals mo one by one, slowly but surely with the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Without this person in the past. So expect some communication with this person, and this new another person is invitation. Merong invitation dito, maybe friends of friends, and you're gonna be conflicted. Okay. Pero the emotion is gonna be real. Pero confusing. Pero it will push you forward. Okay. Nine of Cups, dreams and desires. Okay. So let's see. 3 cards. Last 3 cards. Expect some communication with this person. Ang gusto niya, ang intention niya dito is work things out. To work things out. Okay. So it depends, Virgo. Depende sa'yo. If you are into new or into old. That's the thing. 3 cards more. Three of Pentacles. The Hermit. Tsaka 9 of Wands. Together with the 5 of Cups. So, sa nakikita ko dito, merong very regretful. Tsaka meron ding gustong magkaroon ng partnership sa'yo dito. With the Hermit card, wise, knowledge, gaining, introspective. Okay. Pero your defense is up here. Wounded Warrior. Okay. Meron tayong Wounded Warrior dito. Samantalang tong person na to, or maybe ikaw, kung sino man tong past person, inabuso ka nito to the max. Okay. Three of Pentacles is all about collaboration, teammate, creative ideas, sharing knowledge, sharing wisdom, pero very cautious. Okay. Yung mga sinishare is limited lang. Okay. Mga ideas na sinishare, kailangan maging limit lang kasi maybe it will use against you. Kaya tayo merong regret card. Okay, so be aware sa mga sinishare mo kasi baka gamitin against you. Yun lang. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. Ang ganda naman. What is the advice? Communication is the key. Your loved ones are safe. And the personal issues reaches resolution. So, communication is the key, Virgo. Kailangan mong kausapin or makipag-communicate sa person na to if you don't want. Kung hindi mo na gustong ayusin, then makipag-areglo ka na lang na there is no turning back or moving forward na both para wala nang hindi maapektuhan ng future. Okay. Kasi merong hindi makamove on dito with the Four of Pentacles eh. Okay. So, balance spirituality and practicality, Virgo. So, you and your loved ones are very safe and a personal issues reaches resolution with the 5 of Wands, conflicted, and kung ano pa man ang mga personal issues mo. So, mariresolve yun. Okay. Communication is the key. Kailangan mo mag-communicate kung ano man ang gusto mong mangyari. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano ang angel message number. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Meron kang king. Meron kang 10. 10, 6. 6. So, 10, 6 is Virgo. Tingnan mo kung anong meaning, anong mensahe mo dyan. Angel number 1066. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. This is what I have for you. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. And see you on the next one. Happy New Year. Bye for now. Advance Happy New Year, by the way. Bye for now.